guys! Welcome to my vlog. So ayan mga friendship, for today's video ay mag-unboxing po muna tayo kasi meron po tayong dumating na parcel from, actually I ordered this from Shopee.
Okay!
So for now, wala po muna tayong travel vlog, so I'm gonna upload soon my travel adventure vlog. So ayan, so for today's video ay unboxing lang po muna tayo kasi hindi po talaga maganda ang panahon and it's not good to travel actually. Ayan, let's see what's inside. So ayan, so let's open. This is from TikTok. Ayan, TikTok stuff. From Boven shop po siya galing. So, ayan. O, diba? And, super bigat. I didn't expect na ganito pala siya kabigat. So, ayan. Actually, this is a... Yeah, so actually, I like ordering from Boven. Let's say, for example, like, chargers or anything na for electric or something like that, or things that I'm gonna use for the car. So I like to order from Boven kasi very good quality talaga siya. So kahit medyo may kamahalan ang Boven, but actually I like the quality of it. So this one, o diba, super heavy talaga, as in parang ano siya, parang 5 kilos. Charot. Ayan, diba? Oh, nice ang kanyang packaging. So, diba? From Boven. And it says here na ano siya, charge fast from Boven first. So, ayan. So, actually, this is what I ordered from Boven. It's a power bank. Actually, it's power bank. So, ayan. And alam niyo ba kung how much is it? So this is actually 1,800 peso. So it's quite expensive. But I think worth it naman kasi maganda naman talaga ang quality ng Boven. So ayan. And this is 50,000. Alright, so I really chose this one because I trust Boven. Boven, baka naman. So, ayan. So, let's open. Okay, so let's open it. Actually, marami naman talagang pagpipilian na power bank, but I chose this kasi nga, aside from the brand name which I like and which is for me it's I already been using Boven in any electric, something like that. So, and really it's genuine, diba? But very heavy. Iwan ko kung parang hindi siya ideal for travel kasi napakabigat niya talaga. Oh, super heavy. Yeah, walang biro, walang joke. It's really like 5 kilos. So like that, diba? Very tight ang kanyang pagkap. Or talagang mahirap kasi ang, look at my nails, it's too long. So, ang hirap niyang i-open. So, diba? Super heavy. I didn't expect na ganito siya kalaki. Oh. And look at the inside. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? So nice. But, hindi talaga siya ideal for travel, really. But if you will travel, like, you will stay for a long time, so, maganda siyang dalhin. But for, siguro like, hindi naman talaga matagalan. I don't know if it's ideal, but for me, it's heavy talaga siya. O, diba? Oh, see? Wow. And meron siyang ganito. O, diba? It's so handy naman. Though, mabigat siya, but handy naman siya. Oh. And meron siyang, actually, meron siyang light. You can use the light. Yes, let's try the light. But I don't know how to use the light. It's 100% battery naman siya. And it has two. This is for iPhones and for 5C charger. So, ayan, pwede. Meron siyang cord. And then, in here naman, meron siyang a lot of sockets naman here on top. So, pwede siyang, if you have the cord naman, you can use it. Oh, diba? Meron siyang ganyan. Okay? Meron siyang for USB. Merong four socket for USB. And then for Type C, meron, o diba, yan, nag-lowbat. So, ayan, that's kasi medyo naputol kasi nag-lowbat po ang ating cellphone. So, ayan po siya, o diba, ang dami niyang saksakan. And this is fast charging power bank. So, ayan. And then, super love the color actually. But I don't know, maybe because I like white or, you know, what diba? And then how to turn on the light. So, that's why I chose this one also because of the light. In case brown out, wala po tayong ilaw. In case of emergency, we can use this one as well as light, emergency light. So, ganyan. So, dito ang kanyang power on, then you have to long press lang. Ta-da! Diba? Ay, back. Diba? Long press. Ayaw niyang mag-light. Ayan. O, diba? So, ganyan ang kanyang light. So, you can use it also light. If it's madilim. So, ayan. So, let's turn it off. Then, for turn off the light, you have to long press also. So, ayan, ganyan siya. O, diba? Ang kanyang indicator na 100% siya. And I don't know what else will be the indicator here. So, yan. Though it's heavy talaga siya, diba? But it's very nice. It's 22.5 watts. Okay, 22.5. And it's fast charger for 50,000 mAh. O, diba? Okay, and this is 1,800 pesos. So, you can buy this one in the Bobbin shop. So, Bobbin shop. Highly recommended. I love Bobbin when it comes to quality, though, yes, I've mentioned, medyo may kamahalan talaga siya. But, maganda. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Yeah, and see you on my next video.